Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your BooKmate app. So all you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on my box down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on reader settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just scroll, you will find here automatic night mode. Click in this sign of this color, or you click here on here. So then here can you select here automatic night mode here in this list. If you want to add light control it here, and can you control it here in this list, in here, shoulder here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.